Blub, 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 blub. Nothing like 340s, man. Especially with a 4-speed. This is Vitamin C Orange 70 Plymouth Duster and 71 Butterscotch Demon. So you're looking at first year Duster and first year Demon. Demon is from Los Angeles. It's originally a 340 car with this bench seat column shift, but it currently has a 408 stroker with aluminum heads. About probably north of 500 horsepower. It's wicked quick and wicked loud. The 70 340 Duster has a 71 block in it. Runs out beautiful. And just a wonderful car. So both of them are nice. They're both lightweight. They're both high performance. And the Demon's on steroids and the Duster is stock. So there you have it. Blub, 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 blub. Love it.